Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Hemingway Editor workflow for clearer marketing copy detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Hemingway Editor website. Click on the right section to access the main editing interface. If you have a document to edit, copy and paste your text into the editing box. Observe the color-coded highlights that Hemingway uses to identify issues. Read the legend on the right side to understand what each color represents. Green highlights indicate adverbs that you can usually remove for clarity. Yellow highlights suggest sentences that are hard to read. Red highlights point out overly complex sentences that may need to be simplified. Blue highlights show phrases in the passive voice that could be rephrased. Identify the readability score displayed in the top right corner. Aim for a grade level of 4 or 5 for marketing copy to ensure clarity. Begin editing your text by addressing each highlighted issue. Start with the red highlights, as these represent the most complex sentences. Break down long sentences into shorter, clearer statements. Next, review the yellow highlights and revise any hard-to-read segments. Replace adverbs indicated by green highlights with stronger, more precise verbs. Convert passive voice structures to active voice wherever possible. After making edits, read your revised text aloud to check for flow and clarity. Use the word count feature to ensure your copy is concise. Once satisfied with your revisions, consider exporting your text. Click on the export option to save your edited copy. You can choose to download it as a document or copy it to your clipboard for easy use. Implement the revised copy into your marketing materials, ensuring it resonates with your audience. Regularly revisit the Hemingway Editor to refine your writing style over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.